Hey everyone, I'm back again. I wanted to show you a little tutorial I've been working on from the January box, and it's this little tubular peyote little turtle that I'm going to turn into an earring. I've been having so much trouble with this, so I have to actually start all over again, but this is going to be coming real soon. But in the meantime, the Poco boxes have come in, and super cool for February. So they've given us a bonus box, which is really cool. So we're going to start with that one first. That's the B for bonus, and then we'll get into the regular ones in a bit here. Oh, this is cool. So there's the little stamp, all spruced up, it says. And let's see. Again, there's that awesome little appreciation note that they put in every single box, which is really nice. And I got word of this, that they were going to be doing a bonus box, which was really nice. Very nice little card, a thank you. Oh my goodness. Oh, lovely, Brenda at Medicine Beads. We just wanted to say thank you for doing the amazing unboxing videos of our subscription boxes on your YouTube channel. We are admiring the lovely project videos you have created with your beads and hope you are really enjoying them. We appreciate wonderful customers like you. Keep on being awesome. The Poco team. Wow. Oh, that's really, really sweet. So obviously they have seen my videos, which is always really nice. So let's get into this. Let's take a look at what gifts they have added in for the bonus bead box this time. Oh, wow. That's really, really substantial. I'm going to get this out of the way and we'll take a look. These little tubes of E6000 are superb. Love them. I can't get enough of these guys. They're super helpful. We've got a couple of needles with some thread. The thread clipper, honestly, by far, these are my most favorite clippers. I have a few pairs of them, but I've misplaced a few of them. So, all right, let's take a look. That's lovely. I think this is just a little... Oh, that's gorgeous. That's some crystal banding. That's exciting and fun to play with. And what else have we got? Oh, those are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So let's take a look at this. Oh, wow. Look at that cabochon. It's very sparkly. I don't know if you can really see it on the camera, but it's really, really sparkly. I can't wait to do something with that. How cool is that? And then these guys. Oh, that's so cool. It's a little bit hard to see, actually, in all my lights, but we've got some little paws there, which is really cool. I can't wait to do something with these. Earring hooks. And so there's our backing, and then we got this beautiful white leather backing. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, well, let's see what we have got in here. Now I don't actually have all of the names of everything here, but I'll just kind of set these guys out right here. Look at that stunning rainbow of colors. Holy. So this one is check silver lined gray, matte turquoise, that's a check. So these are 10-0s, 10-0 check opaque light blue, 10-0 check opaque dyed violet, 10-0 check chalk pink matte, beautiful. 10-0 Czech Permalux dyed chalk orange matte, Czech opaque gold yellow, and Czech bone sol gel. Wow, that's super cool. I am really pumped to try and get into this and see what I can come up with. It's so cool to have these kinds of gifts that they put in every once in a while. That's really, really special, and I just love it. So let's take a look at, we'll do the embroidery box. And you know, I had a comment on one of my unboxings that they didn't think that the price, you know, for the Delicas in the Poco box was really all that terrific. But you know, I think from my perspective, you know, the thought and the quality that goes in, and not only that, but I live kind of remotely, and for me, I don't have the opportunity to get into the city and places where they've got it's easily accessible to pick up beads and whatnot. So for me, I have to pretty much order all the time, and so I do find for me that this is actually a pretty reasonable price, and you know, and all of the pieces that go in it, I do think that it's actually a pretty good, a pretty decent bargain, and I just think the thought and care that goes into it is pretty special. So I just, you know, sure, if you live in a city center and whatnot, but we just have to remember this is a curated bead box as well. It's not a oops, there goes one of my lights again. That was the trouble I was having the last time. So I'm gonna just pop on another light. Okay, there we go. A little bit better. Not the greatest light in the entire world, but but it's still pretty helpful. Okay, so let's get into this one. So this is the embroidery box. Let's take a look at what we've got in here. Oh wow. Oh, that's really sweet. They've got these, they put these little hearts on here. Love that. I'm going to set that to the side. That looks really exciting and special. Again, they're sweet little notes. And then we've got, this looks like our color palette. And there looks like there's so much fun stuff in here. So we got, let's see, 10-0 color lined orange Terra, color lined peach Terra, and then all the rest are, I think they're 11-0s, opaque Ceylon dyed pearl, eucalyptus chalk dyed sol gel, neat, blue chalk dyed sol gel. We've got the foundation, some Chinese crystal, sequins vinyl, and an alligator clip. That's so cool. And they threw in this cool little fun fiesta sort of stuff, and a Valentine's card. Oh, that's really awesome. You know, this is the kind of stuff that just, it's just so neat. You know, their customer care and service is just, it's really above and beyond. Of course, there's our lifesaver, always waiting for those. And they got some other little treats here, a chocolate heart, and then looks like some sort of a candy heart on the stick. Those are really sweet. Okay, let's get into having a look at what we got here. So let's take a look at our color lined orange Terra. Looks a little bit salmon-y, but nice nonetheless. That's a size 10. And then we got the color lined peach Terra. Those are so pretty. And then we got some size 11s here. Pearl, very nice. And then this is the eucalyptus chalk dyed sol gel. Oh my gosh, I love that color. It's hopefully you can see it. Let's see if I move my light just a little bit more here and move this one in a little. Oh, that's so lovely. I love that color so much. And then blue chalk. I really like these. They're so different, these colors. I'm going to put that down there. And then we have got, look, they seem to be throwing in a bunch of bonuses all the time, which is really neat. So this is a size 13 Charlotte, and that's a silver lined crystal. Again, beautiful. We've got our sequins. Oh, how neat is that? Wow, love it. Chinese crystals. Oh, that is so pretty. Amazing. Just amazing. And then some banding. Okay, oh, they did put the banding in there. How lovely. Banding. And then we've got an alligator clip. Some pink backing. And then some vinyl, the same one that's in our bonus box. That's really, really beautiful. I'm super, super impressed with this box, and I think I know exactly what I want to do with this one. So I'm going to pop all of these back in. Just amazing. I love all of the choices, the color choices in this. It's really, really neat. I'm still not a huge pastel fan, but that's pretty pretty sweet. All right, let's get into the Delica box, and of course the Delica colors are often quite a match as well for these. Try and close off my knife. Okay, let's see what's in the embroidery box. I'll set that to the side. I'll look. So they put a nice big red heart and a white heart in this one, and it's so cute. Again, the thank you note. Oh, this is a bit of a different color palette compared to this one. Let's see if I can find it. There we go. A little bit of a slightly different color palette. That's sort of cool. All right, let's take a look at what is in this one. So, silk inside dyed light carnation AB. These are all Delica. I think they're all 11s, I imagine. Duracoat opaque light carnation, pale salmon lined crystal, opaque squash, Duracoat opaque light watermelon, I think it says. And let's take a little look and see what we got in here. Again, we got our little candies, which is pretty cool. And then again, we got our, whoops, hard to get out of there. We got our another little Valentine's card. That's really sweet. And so it says Nymo thread. That's awesome. That's really, really great. Size D Nymo, 64 yards. That's great. All right, let's move the candies out of the way. And they threw in a whole bunch of these things. That's so cool. There's a couple of little open ones too. Let's see if I can find those. Those are little kind of cool sequin looking things. And another little open one. Those are really neat. I like that. Okay, so let's just take a little look at these guys. 1, 2, 3. They've thrown in, it seems, yet another bonus one. They do this a lot. So this is a Miyake rose lined crystal. That's nice. Where are we? Okay, there we go. Just trying to find the right way around. This is the dyed light carnation. Oh, AB. Wow, that's pretty sparkly. That's really nice. Move these guys out of the way. And then the opaque carnation. Very nice. Pale salmon lined crystal. That's a nice color. opaque squash. Really like that. I love the oranges. And then there's the opaque light watermelon. Beautiful. Really beautiful colors for February. And of course throw the Nymo thread in there too. That's really nice. This is such a cool kit this month. I'm really liking this. So I'll get to work on something with this at some point in time as well, but I'm still wanting to catch up with the January one. And yeah, I think that's it for now. You can look forward to, again, to me creating this. And once I get my setup fixed up again, we'll get going on the filming. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please remember, have a look at the Poco bead box if you're interested, the subscription box, and it's pocobeads.com. Give them some love. These guys are really great. Their customer service is exceptional. They really obviously care about their subscribers. So I heartily recommend them. I think that they have helped with my creativity. So anyway, yeah, have a look at them. If you like what we do here, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you soon on the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.